cabin 9096 on the Norwegian Star. Balcony room. Small nightstand on this side of the bed with a reading light. Two twins made up to be a king. A very small love seat. Above the bed, there is a USB outlet right there underneath their light. So you can turn on and off your reading light here, and then you can plug in a phone. There is no outlet beside the bed, but it does help having that USB port there. Plenty of room to store suitcase under the bed. A lot of clearance for a good sized bag. Looking back at the room, we have the TV, two USB outlets and one international outlet. TV, just a little cattywampus. There we go. Get that straightened out. Phone on the wall. That's different. Over here we have a hair dryer, a US outlet, and another outlet, and the light switch. Shore excursion tickets that we have. We've ordered some water, so it's been delivered. There's a little refrigerator in the room. 3 drawers, all empty and ready for storage. We have 2 cabinet doors. Shelf storage, lots of hangers. Pull down those. Some shelves to the side. On this side, there's the safe. A couple little shelf nooks there. The other thing I find really interesting is we get a placard that says this is a non-smoking stateroom. I wonder why they put that on there, since the whole ship is supposed to be non-smoking staterooms. Even beside the bed, we have a warning that says strictly no smoking in bed. So I guess it's just no smoking allowed, and it's strictly prohibited if you're in bed. All right, let's look at the bathroom. 2 little hooks outside the bathroom. The toilet has its own little privacy nook. Now that's a first. I've never seen a toilet privacy nook before. Norwegian Star is a little different than some. We have this little ring on the side of the wall. We never did figure out what that's for, if it is just decoration or if it actually has a purpose. So if anyone knows, please comment and let me know. There is a little hook in the toilet section of the bathroom, and there are 4 hooks on the back of the bathroom door. A couple of towels. We have the sink with storage underneath. And here's the shower. It has the shampoo, it has body wash, and there's a little laundry line strung across for drying clothes. A little grab bar. So let's go look out on the balcony. Ooh, look at that beautiful view. Looks like 2 balcony chairs, a little table in between them. Go out on the balcony. Here in Reykjavik. That's our view forward. That's our view aft. That's our view directly down to the water. No obstruction at all to a direct view down.